Hello and welcome to part 1 of School Champions League of Legends. What the heck are you watching, man? You must be into some weird paint art. And by the way, today I learned paint doesn't have alpha. What the heck? Anyway, that's not why we're here. Let me make sure this is set up right. Actually, here. Clean that up. I think I'm streaming. Okay. So, what is this? I have been tasked through some means with creating a prototype in Ruby on Rails. Basically, this is going to go for my portfolio. I've never really even touched Ruby on Rails. I have touched it. I believe I looked at their website and I downloaded one of the basic things and ran it. But other than that, I don't know much. So I'm going to start fresh from there. And the goal is to have this product by the end to show who I am a little bit, what I can do. And I'm going to document it for maximum embarrassment. This could look bad, could look good, I don't know. I'm just gonna have fun with it because that's what programming is about. So let's gotta go. Whoa. There, bam. I did that myself, just in case you wanted to know. To start out my stream, I like to start with a video or picture or GIF or something. That picture was amazing already, but check this out. This will get us pumped up for what is ahead of us.
Hey Joaquin, I'm out here with Apollos Hester, wide receiver for the Patriots. You guys had one heck of a game tonight. How'd it go? I mean, it was going a little back and forth. You guys knew it was going to be a tough dogfight out there, and it was. So what were you guys able to do to come back and win this thing?
All right, well, at first we started slow. We started real slow. And, you know, that's all right. That's okay, because sometimes in life you're going to start slow. That's okay. We told ourselves, hey, we're going to start slow. We're going to keep going fast. We're going to start slow, but we're always going to finish fast. No matter what the score was, we're going to finish hard. We're going to finish fast. Yeah, they had us the first half. They had us. We weren't defeated, but they had us. But it took guts. It took an attitude. That's all it takes. That's all it takes to be successful is an attitude. And that's what our coach told us. He said, hey, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard. You're gonna go out there, you're gonna battle, you're gonna fight, you're gonna do it for one another. Do it for each other, you're gonna do it for yourself, you're gonna do it for us, and you're gonna go out with this win. And we believe that, we truly did. And it's an awesome feeling. It's an awesome feeling when you truly believe that you're going to be successful. Regardless of the situation, regardless of the scoreboard, you're going to be successful because you put in all the time, all the effort, all the hard work, and you know that it's going to pay off. And if it doesn't pay off, you continue to give God the glory. If you still lose the game, you continue to get each other's back, and that's what we realized. Win or lose, we realized that we were going to be all right. It was going to be okay. We're gonna keep smiling. It was awesome. Awesome.
Paul's always got a smile on his face. Talk about attitude. This guy's got attitude. Awesome. You guys can't tell. We met earlier this week, and this was the enthusiasm I saw.
It's the mindset. Yes, ma'am. Hey, you can do anything you put your mind to. Never give up on your dreams. Keep smiling no matter what you're going through. If you fall down, just get up. If you can't get up, your friends are there to help you up. Your mama's there. Your daddy's there. God's there. Hey, I'm there to help you up. You're there.
I'm here.
Keep smiling,
man. Along with all the football highlights you guys have gotten tonight, some motivational speaking courtesy of Apollos Hester, man. Great game tonight, buddy.
Yes,
so
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank
happy
you.
for you guys. This guy with one touchdown and a whole lot of sass coming out here for the Eastview Patriots. All right, guys, we'll send it back to you.
Wow. All right, a couple of comments that come to mind immediately. Number one is that's in the Interview Hall of Fame. That was
please
incredible.
have that guy on every single
we have
week.
for every show. The second thing that comes to mind is, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to run through a brick wall.
If he doesn't make it as a
he
football
pumped me
player,
up.
he should be an inspirational speaker. That is incredible.
Whoa. Oh man, aren't you pumped up? Let's do this. Whether we succeed or fail, you know, we got each other's back. Okay? Damn, that guy's awesome. I want to be friends with you, dude. That's straight out of Austin, Texas. What's up? Alright. Thank you, mister. This is not what you want to see. In fact, I'm going to hide that. I actually got the idea from here. This is awesome. I'm going to steal it. I'm going to implement it. But there's a GitHub, so that's a little too easy. Like, if I have a question, I'll go here. Even if I don't know. They even tell you what to do, which is kind of cool. I kind of want to do that too. Really, 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 really cool. Especially for my purposes, like y'all out there watching. I wanna meet y'all. I want y'all to meet each other. I wanna start a community of people helping each other. Okay, so Nick Nash. I haven't done Ruby on Rails. Let's make this happen. To quickly recap what I'm making. Here we are. Full page, notepad. League winner, champion, league school champion. Basically, you sign up, you identify your league account, specify what school you go to, and then it ranks you in your school who's best. And then it can also show you people you can play with. And then it shows what school is best. So it gets some competitiveness going. A&M's going to win. I know. They're going to be ranked number 1. But, other schools can try. But for real, like, I think this would be cool. I'd like to meet people in my school. I also thought about doing, like, areas, but I'm going to go the, like, Facebook route. So, like, we start out, everybody wants part of it, and they can't really join because it's college only. Okay, no, I like the school idea more. No, I'm not in a school at the moment. But, hey, why not? I'll put A&M. I'm not in a school, but maybe I could put a location too. I could do it all. And then later, bam. Why not? That'll be last. But that would be cool. Cause then, yeah. Okay. Am I good to go? Still streaming, correct view. Do I have a viewer? No. I know Joaquin. He'd watch. Okay, so this is a challenge. Many challenges. Big thing. First is sign up. First is Ruby on Rails. Like, I've never even made an application at all. So how do I do that? And then how do I create a sign up for Ruby on Rails? And then how do I input data into a database related to that account information? And then how do I search a league account for your ranking or your MMR? Are you gold? Are you challenger? I know LOL King has stuff like that, like it reports on it, but what little research I did, I don't know if I can do that. I don't know that I can actually find that out through Riot's API, which I haven't really looked at fully yet, but I get the feeling it's not going to be as nice as I like. Omnioth. Maybe I can do Omnioth. Maybe I'll do this. Maybe I'll use another gem. Actually, I'm gonna ask my man. Jake. Check this out. In fact, I want to check it out. How do I tweet at you? I'm asking him because I'm interested in what he uses actually. I'm going to also Google it to find out. Who knows? Oh yeah. Okay. Also, to get started. I don't know if I should show you till I don't know what super secret stuff. I'm going to join Hex Chat to ask my Ruby friends and other friends what the heck is going on. Where's... Whoa, bing. Bet you can hear that. Beep on message. Why is that on by default? Alright, I knew he would be there for me, man. You go to pretty much everyone. Devise. And Jim, I don't even know if I'm using this right in the right context or I'm just trying to talk the talk. Gems basically Ruby on Rails, you install things and they give you capabilities. They call them gems. Ruby and gems. Get it? Okay, that's what I was wanting to know. I had a thinking that maybe they used one of those. Device. Where was I going with all this? I was going here. Does everything look good? I'm gonna... Okay, whatever. How do I identify? I always have to ask this. And I always go to the same spot. I'm gonna move this off screen. Oh. Oh, I got in. I thought it okay. I guess I hope I don't show a password there. Okay. Join. Okay, so I'm here. And inappropriate words have been said, apparently. There's 390 pro people. I got my Learn Programming JavaScript stuff. And who knows, maybe I'll need them, maybe not. Jesus. It scares me every time. Which one are you beeping? Actually, I'm gonna move it. No, I'll leave it there. Okay, so that's done. Don't need that. clean this up a little bit. Maybe I should write this stuff out. I shouldn't say Ruby, I should say roll wrap. Get that going. Research logins. How to pull, how to get MMR or division by summoners from League of Legends. How to get it, if it's even possible. I'm actually gonna do that first because I don't know if that's possible for me. So I just want to know that first, and then I'll probably have to find another project, or I'll have to learn how to scrape a web page. That's what I'll do. But also that's most interesting to me. And I know how to do it, so get something rolling. And then data to like, how do you could even do a Ajax drop down list of possibilities? That'd be awesome. I don't think I'm gonna do that for now. I might have a predefined list to begin with, and then page to show all users from a school when school matchup. Do I want to show specifics about these people? Maybe later, not now. And then after all of this, I could do the current location stuff. Then school matchup. Okay. And then host it. I should probably in there, like, I don't know if this is like code first. No, I think it's like ORM stuff. Are you beeping at me? Are you beeping at me? Yeah. Okay. I'm sitting on my foot, I guess for height. I don't know why I'm doing that, but it keeps falling asleep. But I was talking about SQL. Do I write the SQL database first? Do I code it? Or is it ORM? I don't have to worry about it. And then what I actually really don't know is how if I'm hosting to Heroku, how does it not overwrite stuff? Do they just not do that in Heroku? It's like if I want to update the code, does it start fresh? I would hope not. Surely there's like migrations here, I guess. Yeah. So config. That's interesting. I didn't think Ruby on Rails was config based. I thought it was convention. But anyway, I'm also on my PC. I wanted to do it on my Mac right here, but I couldn't find streaming software. So if you know streaming software, let me know. I couldn't find anything like OBS very easily. There's all that set up, learning, and I need to get this done now. So it might bite me in the butt if I can't do Ruby on Rails properly, because yeah, I actually remember having a run-in already. So what was on my list to do? I'd like to add this to like a Trello card or something. How to get MMR or division by summoner's ID. Okay, so okay, real quick so you can see this. This is Coder Match. If you're a programmer, you put in your Git account, you sign in using your Git account. I'm looking for an intermediate Ruby programmer. I need to put a zip code. Bam, there's 4 nerds. And I actually emailed this dude, and he's a real person. And you can follow, you can click on them and view their projects. And actually, I'll show you. If you're watching this, hey Drew. Yeah, that's where I want to go. And then here, this is a portfolio. He took a class, a course, like a 3-month course. And I guess this is where his commits are coming from that course. But it looks pretty good. Like he has a lot on here. I don't know if he's working right now or not. Where was it? Contact. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna do this too, and you should too. It's awesome. Chat with me. I can send him a text message. You can send him a text message, and he responded to me. So in real time, like it took 10 seconds, and he responded on here. That's so cool. All right, enough nerdgasm. But this shows up his profile. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And this Coder Match. Okay. Stop. In the name of love. I want to do a Ruby on Rails overview because I need to. But for now, real quick, how the heck? I assume this will not be possible. Elo equals 450 plus equals tier times 350. Brilliant. Thank you, man. I'm going to write this down just so I do not forget it. So if you can get the tier and the division. Oh, this is LP. If you're a baller like that. How do you get LP? Although I don't even need to use this because I can. Oh, 45 LP, yeah. I can just compare leagues or divisions. Like, they're calculating all this, but I don't need to really. I just need to know that they are bronze 1. 45 LP. Maybe I will use this to calculate it, and then it's easier to compare. Why not? That's so cool, though. All right. API. Why are you... What are those suggestions? Damn it. Okay, this is where... Go away. Oh. So I feel like names, runes, masteries, no. Summoner level. That's not what I want. What is that? Summoner D2. Don't know. Bothers me. Stats. Ranked. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Well, those are stats. And you can do a champion. That's cool. And you can do season 4. What? Didn't tell me anything. The header. What if I do? Three might. I don't know. Okay. What I'm doing. I don't quite think that's what I want. Anyway. I believe that's my summoner ID. 404, not found. I think I might have been under another name. Crap. Come on. No! Let's just find somebody. I mean, I don't care. Skara. I don't need a stream. I know Skara has been 404 is not found, right? Unable to communicate with the given server. Did I like over limit it already? Guy status? Matches in A. What is entry? Tier? Tier and division. Is this to do? That's what I keep seeing. Hello? Pretty sure he's in there. Also, a thing I'd want to do. Oh yeah, rune page names. So that's how I'd have to do it. Verified. Is this returning data? Bad request. You're the one that gave it to me. No. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I might have to listen to some music because it's so quiet up in here. I wish I had music that I could play. But YouTube is poo-poo. Like, this is what I want, right? I'm gonna copy this. This is what I'm thinking it is. No. Sublime text. No, not right now. Actually, I'll do Sublime text too, just because I don't. Huh. It's funny. Here my client kept crashing, so I had to do logs. So I have this, and this dude is complaining about why you no work, huh? Is this denied? That must be something special. I'm not trying to hack y'all, I just want my information. I feel like this should be easy. And what is entry? What get entries map? Turn league entries for summoner. Region. Oh, well, at least this is what this is. Come on. Does this even work? Key. Ah, crap. I'm showing y'all my key. Maybe I can... Don't use my key, please. Change it later. Summoner level. Compare this. Oh, so at least that worked. Why is my... So my stream cut out. Okay, that's pretty impressive, mister. 2 years and 4.5 million blocks later, my Minecraft Xbox 360. Okay. Well, poopers. Girlfriend's going out dancing. Without me. That's kind of cool. I wonder how big he is. If that's real size or what. I don't know. Anyway, back. Go away. Actually, What the heck are you doing, internet? Internet's going crazy. Is my phone pause? No, it's not even connected. Bad request. My internet is going crazy. I hope the streaming quality is okay. By the way, if you want to talk with me, you should email me, and we can get on IRC or anything. So I'll just keep programming. Keep going while I can. Okay. I'm lowering the bitrate to 6,000. Hope it doesn't reduce quality too much. So real quick, summoner ID. Is that the correct summoner ID? Am I just looking up the wrong thing? No. Holy shit. What a fool. But he's using that by summoner. So what's my ID? Huh? Oh, Scar's low. So how do I get summoner ID? Bam. That's impressive data. I gotta. Oh, damn. I took a beating. It's because I started playing. What did I do? Played other champions. I played Vayne. I guess that's what it was. I don't know. I need to practice with her. Okay, so. Stats. Get some. So first I have to get ID. Summoner's ID. Summoner names. By name. But that's what I'm using, by name. No? By summoner. Ah. Okay. Need all y'all go away. By summoner. By summoner, not by... How is he like unique? Is that why his works? So bam. Okay. Keep this for reference. Sorry, I'm distracted by a thought. Get ID, and this returns that, and then I do I want to see what the difference of these two are. Is this me? Yeah. I want to see this. ID 0, 1, total sessions played. Like, champions. Oh, these are champions. So with... I don't know which one this is. Why does this ID 0? Is this under champions? Champions. I think this is like not. What? It's missing a lot. This has a lot of other stuff. Total sessions played, total sessions played. So this is a sum. ID 0 is a sum of everything. Total sessions lost, 3 and 4, 7. Man, okay. Good to know, good to know. And then, in a little bit, I'm gonna take a break. Just cause it's good to take a break. Let your brain think about cats every once in a while. What was I actually trying to do here? So I get my summoner ID, and I put in my summoner ID. Oh wow. Is veteran true? Is veteran? What does that mean? Am I a veteran? False. 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 What are these? Entries. They're entries. Leak points. 98. 88. 0. Oh, what? These are my... This is my last game, I guess? Is veteran. Is inactive. Division 5. Division and tier. Where's tier? Is this entry? Oh, if you've been in the league for a while. I assume. Which is not a good thing in my mind. Division. Division. League points. Tier. Okay, so maybe first of all, I want to put this in a separate page so I can look at it all pretty like. This is the sexiness of programmers. Alright, so I am in Trundle's Pyromancers and ranked solo 5x5 5v5. What I would have to do is I would have to find gold, and then I would go down to find me. Seems like more than 10. Why is there so many? Jesus. I'm so confused. What? Why so many? Participant ID. That's, yeah, my ID. I got it. Don't have ADC. I thought AC. Where am I? So here I am. League points. That's how many league points I have. It's fresh blood. Fresh blood. Inactive. It's so cool looking at this data. For real, like, I'm like, I can look them up during the game and stuff. So why is it here? Why? Ice Crisis? Why would it be there? I'm gonna count how many it's down. Did I already pass it? So, entries. Alright, let's lose a little logic. What's an entry? Map. So we got this. League entries. Mini-series. No. What's a league entry? Interesting. So they're changing up how with the versions, the APIs, they're changing up how where they put the division. I just want my division. Why wouldn't they do that? I don't want entries. Does that make sense to people? There must be a reason that they would do it this way. I feel like it'd be obvious to put it, oh, I'm looking for that person. I would want to put it here. Entries. What? Are they all? Wait, here they don't say. Here it says tier. That does not say tier. Why the heck not? Alright, I don't know. I want to see what this is. Gold. League points 21. Ah, beautiful. That's all I want. If I look up, what happens if I look up I want to see what Scar is. Oops. Duh. Nothing. Actually, real quick, this is what I want to do. I think. So I have gold and I have points and I have division. Bam, I have MMR. So I don't think I want this at all, actually. I don't know why I would want that, really. Whoa, easy. This is sure. And then I also wanted to look up if I do. Oh, yeah. I wanted to do this. Copy that, put that here. It's all that silly. Bam, that's all I want. That's sexy. And then I also just wanted to try out. See what Scars says. League points 412, Division I Challenger. That's pretty cool. Player team name Scar. Player art team ID. Of course, yeah. Then I also wanted to look up my other one. If this is it, actually. What does it do? I'm not ranked. I guess I haven't actually played it. Yeah. Not found. So that's what happens. I get a 404. Good to know. I'm gonna take a break to go to the restroom and text and yeah. So in the meantime, I'm gonna hide this desktop. It's gonna show you an image that doesn't make any sense. Don't worry about it. I'll be back in a bit. Why do I have a calculator? I don't even know. Alright, I got my streaming done. It's cool outside. Oh my gosh. How is that possible? Exciting stuff. Got my messages in. I think. They won the third World Series just now? Cool. Actually, I want to upgrade to Yosemite soon. So he sent me this. Active record. Bots. Jekyll. These are all Ruby on Rails things? Yeah, Ruby Toolbox. Communications, CSS, data, developer tools, documentation, document reports, graphics, fun. Logging, maintenance. Maintenance and monitoring, package and deployment. Provision, deploy and host. Rails plugins. Are all these not Rails plugins? I don't even know. Security, testing. Time and space. Geocoding and maps. Geocoder, GeoKit, Gmaps for Rails. Why do you need a for Rails? Like, for Rails? Like, calendars. Why can't you just need normal Google Maps? But web apps, services, and interactions. Builders. This would be huge, I would think, this section. HTML parsing. I saw someone use Nokogiri. That's a weird name. But I could parse my internet. Stop it. I want to see what it sounds like right now. You fucking serious? Why does it say starting soon? Is it the time I set? Today. Yeah. I set that. Well, I gotta figure out what's going on.